on to mics and things. So when you're doing your live shows and you're going through a PA, then mic placement wise, what do you find better for you? Like the 4099s that we've got here, obviously they're very petite. In the past, have you had somewhere you just hitting the mics all the time?
Oh, it can be, right, yeah, it can be off. I mean, these things, and this, I know it sounds like, we're pushing these mics, but they're gorgeous because they're tiny. A, I can't even see them.
Yeah.
Which is really, really handy. Mm-hmm. B, they're out of my way. So the circle that I'm hitting has not got this great thing in front of it. Because you're conscious when you're playing that when you're playing, you have to get out of the way to hit something. The beauty about this is, the solo that you've just seen or you're about to see on the thing is, I didn't even think about the mic placement because they're so tiny, you don't notice that they're there. Yeah. Back in the day, yeah, there's a cigar there, and it's pointing to the middle of, we need to mic the middle of the drum. Well, that's where I'm hitting it, mate. Yeah. And so I think obviously technology has moved on and on and on. Yeah. But these are, I don't know about the technological aspect of them, but from a drummer's perspective, if you look around the kit, all I see is the kit. I don't see the mics. That's super.